Hi everyone, I'm Maria from Sublistar. DTF printing technology has gradually matured from 2020 to now. As we all know, DTF printing has always used transfer film. On the basis of ensuring its stability, we recently launched a new printing material for DTF printing, DTF transfer paper. Today, we are going to test this new DTF transfer paper to see how it differs from DTF transfer film and whether it can replace the transfer film. What I have in my hand is a new DTF transfer paper. We have done many tests before this, and currently supply transfer paper in rolls with a width of 60 centimeters and length of 1500 centimeters. The finished product transferred from this transfer paper is bright in color, stable in quality, and superior in performance. Most importantly, this is environmentally friendly and non-toxic. It's suitable for transferring, printing, ironing, various clothing transferring trademarks, transfer patterns, wash labels, personalized DTF printing, etc. It can be used for DTF film printing of different textiles such as ready-to-wear t-shirts, cut pieces, shirts fabrics, etc. And is especially suitable for small and medium-sized batches. Next, we start testing. We will use this machine to test. This is our latest 60 centimeters width Star 4 series DTF printer. The specific working process is similar to the transfer film, but the temperature and time need to be adjusted. The temperature should not be too high to avoid the fire, you know? First of all, the printing environment is generally controlled to a humidity of 30 to 60%, and the indoor temperature is controlled at 20 to 30 degrees. Before printing, we need to pre-process the pattern to be applied through image processing software such as PS, and then send it to the printer control software. After the preparations are done, we turn on the machine. If you use the machine when the temperature is low in winter, such as the humidity is greater than 70%, you can turn on the front and rear heating devices of the printer to ensure stable quality. When the air humidity is appropriate, we don't need to turn on the front and rear heating to prevent the paper from arching and rubbing the nozzle. In addition, it's also recommended to heat the connecting plate of the powder shaking machine to 40 to 50 degrees. Generally, the drying speed after shaking the powder should match the printing speed. It's better to control the temperature of the oven between 70 and 90 degrees. We turn on the shaker and set the temperature to 80 degrees. Okay, after all these are set up, we can start printing tasks. After printing out the pattern, let the printing DTF paper with the pattern flow into the automatic powder shaker. Attention here, since DTF transfer paper is paper, when we change the paper or stop the machine for drying, we must avoid placing the DTF paper in the oven for a long time to avoid fire. After drying and rewinding, we get the finished paper with patterns. We cut out the pattern and transfer it with a heat press. The temperature during heat transfer should be around 165 degrees. We adjust it according to the physical properties of the adhesive powder. This new DTF paper can be peeled at any time, and the matte finish is consistent. Good! The transfer effect is not inferior to the transfer film. The printed text is also very clear. This is today's DTF paper test. In general, compared to regular DTF films, DTF transfer paper can be better heat transfer some tiny and delicate patterns and designs. There are several advantages of DTF paper over DTF film. It is a recyclable resource, environmentally friendly and suitable for export. The texture of heat transfer clothing is good, without any color ghosting, and the edges are well defined. It can be peeled at any time, and the matte finish is consistent. It is suitable for all kinds of weather conditions, and it won't have oil and water backstreaming. It is not picky about ink and will not have any guide peel marks or powder adhesion during printing. That's all for today's video. If you are interested in our new DTF transfer paper, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. If you need a sample to test, leave us your contact information or contact us directly at the sales@sublistar.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.